Hello everybody, welcome back to my destinations series here on YouTube. And as of right now, I am currently in Neuchâtel, Switzerland. Over this past week, I have been traveling through Switzerland with Eric and his family. So if you did miss that video, I will link it. As you can see, this is my stunning view from our hotel here in Neuchâtel. However, we are getting ready to leave for Lugano, which is still in Switzerland, but it's close to Italy, and it's really close to Lake Como, so we're gonna spend some time there too, and I figured those would be absolutely gorgeous destinations to film for this series. So without further ado, let's get into today's destination video. After leaving Neuchâtel, we began our drive to Lugano. We stopped at the city Lucerne, which is known for its preserved medieval architecture, picturesque lake, and stunning mountain backdrop. We found a restaurant right next to the water that was able to seat us for dinner. I had a delicious steak frite, and then it was time to check into our Airbnb in Lugano. We just got to our little Airbnb in Lugano. This is our room. How nice this is. Oh wow, there's laundry right here, and then the bathroom is in here. There's the shower and a mirror. Cool, here is the other bedroom. This is where Eric's sister Melanie and her husband Archie will be, and then Eric's mom is gonna take this little sofa bed out here. And then in here we have a whole little kitchen too. This is so nice, and a little dining table. And then I think out there we have a balcony, which I'll check out tomorrow when it's daytime. Okay, time to get ready, take a shower, and then go to bed. Oh, I pushed this button, I think. Hold on. There we go. It is currently, let me look at the time, 11:40 p.m. I just got out of the shower, felt amazing, washed my hair. We drove about 5 hours today with traffic, and that was from Neuchâtel to Lugano, which is where we currently are. However, it took us kind of a while because we did stop in Lucerne, which I highly recommend. That was one of the coolest little villages, towns, whatever you want to call it, that I have ever been to. It was awesome. Highly, highly, highly recommend a visit there if you find yourself in this area. But I am tired because it is late at night, and so as soon as I am done brushing my hair and then brushing my teeth, I'm gonna go to bed because we have a full day tomorrow of exploring here, and then we will be driving to Lake Como tomorrow night. So I am going to say goodnight to all of you now, and I will catch up with you guys again tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. This is the view that we have from our little balcony. I just finished getting ready for the day. It is currently 10:16 a.m. and we need to check out of this hotel at 11. And then I think the plans for today are we're gonna go grab brunch, and then we're gonna go down to like the town area, the historical center, and just walk around. I am very excited for today though. I think it's going to be awesome, and I just feel so grateful to be on this trip and that I get to see different parts of the world today. Here's what I'm going to wear out and about today. I got this blue tank top from Old Navy along with this skirt. It's like a skirt in the front, but then in the back it's shorts. So I thought this would be really cute to wear today. And then I'm wearing my tennis shoes. I've been wearing these Hokas like this entire trip, and they have been awesome. Thank goodness Eric is good at backing the car in. I could never. He's done a great job on this trip driving us around. After parking the car, we found this scenic spot with a beautiful view to relax and grab some drinks. I have to laugh because I ordered a Coke Zero and the bottle said crew. We all joked that even on vacation, it's like crew scheduling is subliminally trying to contact me. Now
it's time for lunch. I ordered a margarita pizza, and then this is the pizza that Eric ordered. I also ordered an affogato, which is where they pour a shot of espresso over vanilla gelato. Lunch was delicious. Oh my gosh, so good. And I had an affogato for the first time. That was seriously life-changing. Like, I'm gonna get that all the time. So good. Right now we're at a gas station and we're gonna fill up the tank, probably get some snacks, and then we are gonna drive to Lake Como. I was craving some candy, so here's my little snack. And then this is the drink that Eric got. He loves these. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, I love all of the blue theme. Okay, so Eric is parking the car right now. So I brought all of our stuff up into our room. Let me give you guys a little tour. We have a queen size bed right here, and I love all of the blue in this room. As you all know, blue is my favorite color. We have a desk right here, and then there's the TV, a little table right here, and let's check out this cute view that we have from our window. Honestly, this hotel room is way bigger than what I was expecting. All right, and then let's go check out the bathroom. We have this whole area right here. Looks like there's that for coffee and tea. Oh, there's these cute little Biscoffs. And then let's check out the bathroom in here. Turn the lights on. Oh, this is nice. Wow, this is very nice. What a gorgeous bathroom. Oh, and we have a little fridge down here. Okay, I should definitely text Eric the room that we're in, so we can get everything figured out and then decide what we want to do for the rest of the day. Hopefully he's able to find parking. I was told that it can be a little bit difficult around here. First thing I do immediately every time I get to a hotel is I start unpacking our toiletries, because if you don't, you just get so tired later in the day, and then you don't want to. Most of my clothes I still leave in my suitcase, but toiletries and stuff like that, I just always immediately take those out. Eric's suitcase is right there. He'll probably take this side of the bed, and then I've kind of claimed this side as my own. This is the same way we sleep at home. We're walking around now. It is actually a little bit cloudy and rainy out right now, but the weather tomorrow is supposed to be gorgeous. But we still wanted to get out, see the city, and grab dinner. I am really glad that if we're gonna get some rainy weather on this trip, that it's tonight and not all day tomorrow when we have the full day here to explore. Oh wow, look at those waves because of the wind. That looks rough. Look at those boats shaking. Wow, gorgeous views though. Look at that train going up that hill. That is terrifying. So cool, but also terrifying, especially for someone like me who has a fear of heights. This wind is crazy. I think this is the most beautiful church I have ever seen. We found a delicious spot for dinner tonight. I was so hungry. As you can tell, I literally ate every bite of food on my plate. Afterwards, we walked through the cathedral and my jaw was ready to drop on the floor. It was so beautiful. Good morning, everyone. I slept great last night. I was so tired. It's about 9:15 in the morning right now. So I just walked out of the hotel room and I am trying to find this bakery that's supposed to be close by so I can just pick up a few things for Eric and I, and then we can get ready for the day to go out and explore. The weather is supposed to be amazing today. It's going to be sunny and in the 80s. So hopefully I can find this spot and grab some breakfast for us. I got us 2 croissants to share. One is plain and one has cream in it, but both look delicious. After going back to the hotel, I changed into this sundress and we were ready to hit the ground running to explore. We stopped for some brunch and I had an omelet and potatoes, and look at how unique and festive these water bottles are. I thought they were so cute. After brunch, we decided to do some shopping. I loved seeing all of the quaint little shops. We bought some balsamic vinaigrette to bring home with us too. I also, of course, had to pick up a magnet, and then we found a bookstore to stop in as well. I love seeing my favorite books in other countries. The covers are always different, and it's so fun to see them printed in other languages. I then realized my dress was actually on backwards, so I quickly turned that around, LOL. Next up, we decided to take the train up the mountain. Yes, I was slightly terrified with my fear of heights, but what I will say is that the views from the top were worth it. I grabbed a cold peach juice and enjoyed the scenery for a few hours before it was time to head to dinner. We were having so much fun. I think our waiter must have really liked us because he brought us free shots to the table. The waiter brought us some of these shots. That's hilarious. So that one's limoncello. I don't remember what. Yeah, I don't remember what that one is. And that one's like a berry one. I want that one. Blueberry. Or blueberry, yeah. I want this one.
To the dust.
Good morning, everyone. So today we have a bit of a long travel day, but we are just going to enjoy the journey because that is half the part of it. You know, like half the part of traveling is enjoying the journey of where you're getting to. So I want to remain positive, and no matter what happens today, we're going to make it an awesome day as always. So today we have to drive from Como back to Geneva to return our rental car, and then we are flying to Austria from there. And I am so excited because I have never been to Austria, so this is going to be a completely new experience for me. As this trip has gone on, my suitcase is getting more and more packed, so I put the extender on it and hopefully I can get this to close. All right, this stuff I am bringing with me. Isn't that funny how that happens? The longer you spend on the trip, somehow the more stuff you accumulate. It's probably because I've gotten a few souvenirs and whatnot, so let's just hope. Okay, that is there. I probably will need to sit on this. Okay, it's not like it's heavy stuff, it's mostly just clothes. This thing just does not want to budge, come on. There we go, okay. All right, suitcase, we can do it. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is heavy. Oh, that's still under 50 though, okay. Cool. Oh, I forgot to mention that Eric is going to get the rental car with his mom right now. They should be back soon, and then we can bring everything down and get this next part of our journey started. The next portion of this trip, we traveled through Austria, and it was absolutely incredible. I will link the full video below as well. We are home from our big trip now. I really hope that you guys are enjoying this series so far. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you again in all of my future videos. I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.